My dear students, how are you? I am Rohit Sarkar, your English teacher. I welcome you in my online class. Today's lesson and Unit 6, our neighbor. Lesson 1, Nepal, the land of Everest. We can see a new word, neighbors. That means প্রতিবেশী. Nepal is our neighbor country. And lesson, Nepal, the land of Everest. Nepal, the land of Everest. That means the highest peak of the world, Everest. Everest is in Himalaya. Now, look at the pictures. Here are some flags, and here is a picture about Himalaya. Now come to the lesson. Nepal, the land of Everest. Known as the land of Everest, Nepal is one of the most charming countries in Asia. That means Nepal is the country of Asia. It is not a simple country, but it is a very charming and attractive country for its beauty. The Kingdom of Nepal is a land of sublime beauty. Nepal is a land of king. That means a king ruled the Nepal, but at present Nepal is a democratic country. However, it is a land of sublime beauty. The scenery of the Nepal is very attracting and very charming. It has some of the world's best and very important temples. It has some of the world's best. There are some best temples in Nepal. It is a country that is rich in scenic beauty and cultural heritage. It is a country that is rich. That means there are many beautiful cultural heritage and many historical things in this country. Stage B, Nepal lies between India and the Tibetan part of China. Nepal is a country which is situated between India and the part of China, that means Tibet. This small country has an area of 1,47,181 square kilometers. That means it is a small country like our Bangladesh. Southern Nepal is tropical lowland known as the terry plains. Southern part of Nepal is known as the Terriplands, tropical area. The southern part of Nepal is a tropical area. This part of Nepal has hot summer. This part of Nepal has hot summer. গ্রীষ্মমণ্ডল, গরম গ্রীষ্ম, and warm winters এবং উষ্ণ শীত. Here the temperature raise up to 40 degrees Celsius in April and May. April and May, the temperature of this area raises 40 degrees Celsius, like our Bangladesh. And monsoon rains drains this region from June to September. And in this area, monsoon stays June to September. The central hill lands, including Kathmandu and Pokhara village, have a temperature climate and are also influenced by the monsoon. The central place of Nepal, Kathmandu and Pokhara village. Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal, and Pokhara village is known a tourist place, world's best tourist place. Not only Nepal, but also world's best tourist place, Pokhara village. North of that is the slope of the main sections of Himalayan range. The northern side of Nepal is a slope of Himalayas. This part of Nepal has some of the highest peaks of the world, including Everest. There are many highest peaks, and the world's highest peak, Everest, is situated in this place. Do you understand? The Everest, the highest peak of the world, peak of the world. Now, step C. Nepal is home of is nearly 2 crore and 90 lakh people. That means the population of Nepal is 2 crore and 90 lakh. Now, time is very short. Now, here are some new words. Charming, that means attracting. Kingdom, that means the land of a king. Temple, that means the place of praying. Heritage, that means the historical important things. Now, at the end, I hope you stay at home. You stay at home and keep yourself safe at the time of coronavirus pandemic. Thank you very much.